Hey K-Squad, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you behind the scenes of my home office makeover. This space has been long overdue for a transformation, and I can't wait to show you the changes I've made to make it more stylish, functional, and inspiring. So let's get into it.
Something bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencil too. Here you go, you try to tease with them bitches. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Oh, wait, just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young killer, girl, I'm known as Pin Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas Thursday, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah, I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
When I started planning this makeover, I knew I wanted a space that felt fresh, inspiring, and in sync with my workflow. My main goals: declutter, create an inviting atmosphere, and make it a true reflection of my style. I chose grey paint because it's both luxurious and practical. It adds a sleek, modern feel while also helping to control the light from the sliding door. This means I get just the right amount of brightness without the glare, making the space perfect for both work and filming content.
I know you want it, but I see you trying. Just keep on pushing on the side. Let's go, that's the high school. It's like the way I can tell you whenever you want, when you waiting for the pump. Baby, get it yours. Anywhere, everywhere. Baby, it's yours.
I gave you the keys to my soul.
He said he came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks in a condo and grams to sing. Left arm, baby mother's headed. 5 year been up north when they read it. Anyway,
bring it over to my bed. Cause I'm not home. What you gonna do on it?
Anyway, I felt them, poked them, put them on lock, seat belt them, took them out pretty, that's seldom. This box better than the box he was held in. I'm on the D and that outer. I call him Tabby like powders. He like it when I get drunk, but I like it when he be sober. That's top of the top, but I never fuck with beginners. I let him play with my pussy, then look at off of his fingers. I'm in the zone. That's like high school. Because I know you can tell you whenever you want, whenever you want, baby, it's show.
Day 3, and I was finally ready to wrap up this makeover. At this stage, it was all about the final touches. But first, I had to deal with the mess. After all the drilling, there was dust everywhere. And of course, a few stubborn paint stains on the tiles. Before bringing in the finishing pieces, I wanted to make sure the space was clean, fresh, and ready for the big reveal. When everybody else is still trying to figure things out, Zara must be like, what do you mean? And here it is, my new and improved home office space. I love how it turned out. Now I feel so much more motivated and productive in here. I'd love to hear what you think. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part of the makeover is. And if you're planning to revamp your workspace, what's one thing you'd change? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.